just telling you that the court has power to imply terms in a contract. Do you know that there are 3 conditions that the courts will look at and just tell itself that we see contracts here. We see contracts here. These people actually plan to do a contract. And so they will not allow it to slide. Whether you thought about it or not. Let me tell you one of those first. Number 1 is a situation where you had it in mind, though. You thought about it. But you forgot, or you did not bother yourself to write it down in that your contract. The court to look at it that, this activity here, this behavior here shows that there is a contract. It will make it good. Number 2 is that you did not think about it, but if somebody else had brought it to your notice, to your attention, you'd have jumped at it. Then yes, and you write it down. The court is taking note. Had somebody brought this thing to this party's attention, they would have included it in a contract. The court will write it down in favor of that contract. Let's make this contract. Let's give it the force of law. Number 3, where had the parties that are involved in that contract, had they foreseen a roadblock, a roadblock in the future, a difficulty, a hindrance, a problem in the future? Say, flood fit happen in the next 2 years, or fire fit come out, or one thing, if they had foreseen a difficulty in the future, they would have included that term. In such a situation, so the law, the court itself will imply. Or in a situation where you have entered into a contractual relationship, you did not write it down. No, it's not there in your paper. But it is a situation that when it is talked about, both parties will just respond with acknowledgement, of course, which means it's a natural, a normal, a reasonable thing or part of such a transaction. The court will imply that yes, there is presumed intention here to create a contract. I said I should tell you because in reality, people don't know some of these things. And then you are busy arguing before the court and you carry them. If you like, tumble the matter, carry it up and bring it down. Because what you are arguing before the court is the fact that we did not write it down. They said written agreements are binding. Me, I'm telling you today now that the court has power to imply terms in favor of a contract